So welcome everybody to our regular Thinking Thursday. It's been 4 years and I show gratitude to all of you for being part of this fantastic Zoom community. And today we have Shakuntala ji, our very own Shakuntala ji, who's going to be sharing insights from astrology. Astrology is a subject according to me, is very difficult. And I think it requires years and years of practice and introspection and reading and all that. And I think Shakuntala ji is our very own astrologer for Thinking Thursday. We have many more, of course. But Shakuntala ji ko main kafi saalon se janti hu, and she is really somebody who, if you give her your birth date and your details, she will take time. You know, kai astrologers, they may just say whatever comes to them. But I think she takes time. She'll study your chart properly. She'll give you insights. And I think that's very important. तो मैं तो मेरे जितने भी लोग पूछते हैं मुझे, I to say give Shakuntala's number and say please Shakuntala ji को contact करो. Shakuntala ji has also started teaching astrology. She has a basic program and a advanced program. And I attended her basic program this year. She said, ma'am, aap join kariye. So I joined it. And I really enjoyed it, you know, and I learned a lot of interesting things in the basic program, like how to prepare a chart and how to read the basic chart and the 12 houses and the planets. And it was really interesting. So, पहले तो मुझे लगता था कि नहीं, you know, astrology join नहीं करनी है. But after doing the program, I realized that to have a basic idea, like a basic insight into yourself is a great thing. So मैंने तो अभी तो basic ही किया है. I'll have to practice it actually for 1 year, 1.5, 2 years, basic chart and basic understanding of the whole thing. It's like a science, you know. But Shakuntala ji ke बहुत अच्छे students हैं and they're all doing really well. So, I mean, it's creditable. She's really studied. I don't know for how many years, Shakuntala? 15 साल, 17 साल?
2006 I started.
Wow. So going to be 20 years in 2 years' time. So yeah, that's a long time of study. But हम जैसे लोगों को basic understanding I think काफी है. But advance भी हम करेंगे आगे चल के थोड़ा. So शकुंतला जी, आज आप किस बारे में बात करने वाली हम सबको?
मैम बहुत सिंपल सा, जो ये 3-4 टर्म्स होती हैं जिनसे जनरली लोग डरते हैं.
Okay.
और सबसे पहले न्यूज़पेपर आता है, कुछ लोग सिर्फ राशिफल पढ़ते हैं. अगर हिंदी का न्यूज़पेपर है तो राशिफल पढ़ते हैं, इंग्लिश का है तो उसमें भी पढ़ते हैं. तो उसको कैसे देखना है उसकी बात करेंगे, उसको थोड़ा सा उसका एनालिसिस करेंगे. फिर साढ़े साती और मांगलिक, इनसे लोग बहुत डरते हैं. वो क्या है, उनको कैसे डील करना चाहिए. फिर लास्ट में कुछ और जनरल रेमेडीज मैंने इंक्लूड.
So we are excited. Are we all excited or not? Super.
Yes.
Let's go ahead, Shakuntala.
थैंक यू मैम फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी और इतना प्यार से बुलाने के लिए. सो लेट अस बिगिन. तो दीज आर द टर्म्स हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे. राशिफल, साढ़े साती, मांगलिक एंड देयर रेमेडीज. दिस simple because it is like total 1 hour class only, so this much only we are going to discuss. Initially we'll begin with the Ganesh mantra. So all those who wants to chant with me, they can, otherwise it's okay. So Vakratund Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvighnam
Guru me deva sarvakaryeshu
तो ये भी एक रेमेडी है. जब भी आपको कोई काम को विदाउट ऑब्स्टेकल्स कंप्लीट करना है, चैंट दिस मंत्र. और यहाँ पे लिखा है सर्व कालेषु सर्वदा. सर्वदा मीन्स ऑल द टाइम, all the time. तो कभी भी पढ़ लो, वो कभी भी आपके काम आ जाएगा। बैंक में एफडी होता है ना, वैसे कभी भी यूज करो, अभी डालो बाद में यूज करो। ऑल राइट, नाउ वी हैव ये कुछ राशि के नाम जो हम वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में होते हैं, वहां हम राशि बोलते हैं। तो ये राशि के नेम्स हैं, है तो इंग्लिश में ही। तो ये मैंने नेम्स दिए हैं और ये नंबर दिए हैं, ठीक है। ये इनके रूलर्स के आज इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, हमको सिर्फ इधर ही फोकस करना है। सो जो नंबर 1 राशि होती है वो एरीज होती है, 2 इज टॉरस, 3 जैमिनी, 4 कैंसर, 5 लियो, 6 वर्गो, 7 लिब्रा, 8 is Scorpio, 9 is Sagittarius, 10 is Capricorn, 11 is Aquarius and 12 is Pisces। अभी हम इन्हीं को देखेंगे इस चार्ट को, क्योंकि सब लोगों को ये याद नहीं होगा। मैं मान के चल रही हूँ आप में से काफी लोग न्यू हैं, बिल्कुल फ्रेश हैं टॉपिक के लिए।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
हम इसको रिपीट, मतलब इस स्लाइड को वापस ले लेंगे, ओके। अब सबसे पहले अगर हमको राशि फल देखना है तो सबसे पहले हमें पता होना चाहिए कि राशि है क्या। सबसे पहले ये पता होना चाहिए। तो व्हाट इज जन्म राशि? दिस इज एज पर वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी द साइन वेयर मून इज पॉजिटेड। जो हमारा इंडियन वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी है उसके अंदर राशि में आपका मून, आपका चंद्रमा बैठा है, वही आपकी जन्म राशि होती है। एटलीस्ट इतना तो हमको आना चाहिए। कैसे देखेंगे? जैसे कि ये भगवान राम की कुंडली है, ठीक है। आप में से कोई देख के बता सकता है मून कहाँ है? कैन यू टेल मी? अनम्यूट करिए, बताइए।
जुपिटर।
जुपिटर में।
मून
फोर्थ
जुपिटर
हाउस।
साथ है, करेक्ट। बट मून ये रहा, राइट।
4 नंबर।
किस राशि में है?
वो कैंसर की
कैंसर।
कैंसर।
चार्ट में ये 4 नंबर लिखा होता है, लेकिन ये कभी भी 4 बोला नहीं जाता एस्ट्रोलॉजी में। एस्ट्रोलॉजी में हम 4 को बोलेंगे क्या?
कैंसर।
कैंसर।
या हिंदी में कर्क राशि। तो भगवान राम की क्या राशि बनती है? कर्क राशि बनती है। इस तरीके से हम किसी भी चार्ट में, किसी के भी बर्थ चार्ट में जो ऑलरेडी बना होना चाहिए, और उसके बनाने के लिए डेट ऑफ बर्थ, टाइम ऑफ बर्थ, प्लेस ऑफ बर्थ ये चाहिए। और आजकल ऑनलाइन काफी सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं, एस्ट्रोसेज वगैरह ऑनलाइन ऐप है, उनमें भी आप डाल के देख सकते हैं। और मोस्टली सबको अपनी राशि पता होती है, अदरवाइज दिस इज द वे, ओके। तो ओके फाइन, दिस इज वन थिंग। अब क्या होता है वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में, तो हम मून साइन की बात करते हैं, ठीक है। दैट इज जन्म राशि। उसको हमको हिंदी में ही बोलना चाहिए, जन्म राशि। जब हम जन्म राशि बात करेंगे, दैट मीन्स वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी। वेयरएज जब भी हम वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी की बात करते हैं, देखिए अब जब न्यूज़पेपर उठाते हैं, हिंदी का न्यूज़पेपर उठाते हैं, वहाँ राशिफल लिखा होता है।
हाँ
हम
जी, हाँ
वही
जी।
राशि मान करके इंग्लिश के न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ने लग जाते हैं। दैट इज नॉट द वे, ओके। जनरली इंग्लिश के न्यूज़पेपर में वो जो एस्ट्रोलॉजी दी होती है वो वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी के बेस पे होती है। और दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी इज बेस्ड ऑन सन साइन। अब आप लोग इससे रिलेट करेंगे, जब हम क्लास में छोटे थे, स्कूल में 10th 11th में जनरली बच्चे ये डिस्कस करते, तेरा जोडियक साइन क्या है, तेरा ये क्या है। सो नाउ व्हाट इज दिस जोडियक साइन? दिस जोडियक साइन इज द sign where your sun is posited. Now there is a little difference between Vedic, अपना इंडियन कल्चर में, और अपना वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी के कल्चर में थोड़ा सा गैप है। वो डिफरेंस है, वो समझना पड़ेगा। तो पहले जरा, अभी हमने मून साइन जन्म राशि तो देख लिया एक चार्ट में, कि आपको डेट ऑफ बर्थ और उससे चार्ट बनाना पड़ेगा। और चार्ट बनाने के बाद में आपको देखना पड़ेगा मून किस राशि में है, वो राशि आपकी जन्म राशि होती है। आउट ऑफ 12 ही होएगा, और तो कुछ बाहर से आएगा नहीं। और वहां पे अगर नंबर लिखा है तो आप यहाँ से राशि चेक कर सकते हैं कि क्या राशि है। ये तो एक पार्ट हो गया वैदिक वाला। अब थोड़ा सा वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी की बात करते हैं। तो इसमें क्या होता है? सन साइन होता है, सन साइन होता है। और इसको कई लोग जॉडियक साइन बोलते हैं, कि तुम्हारा जॉडियक साइन क्या है, ये क्या है। इसके लिए अलग रूल, इसके लिए क्या रूल है? इफ यू आर बोर्न, दिस इज एरीज से लेके पाइसेस, ठीक है, बिकॉज ये सन साइन है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी, नाउ आई एम स्पेसिफाइंग दिस थिंग, आपको ये समझना होगा। एरीज क्या है? मार्च 21 से अप्रैल 19 तक वो एरीज में रहता है सन, लेकिन ये वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी में एग्जैक्टली ऐसे नहीं रहता है। कैसे? एग्जाम्पल आप सब लोग जानते हैं मकर संक्रांति
हाँ जी।
किस डेट को आती है? मकर
January
संक्रांति
15th, 13, 14, 15.
हाँ, जनवरी,
14.
बेसिकली 14 जनवरी, बट समटाइम्स थोड़ा सा चेंज होके 15 जनवरी आजकल आने लगा है ऑन एंड, ठीक है। सो यू आर वेरी राइट, इट इज समथिंग लाइक 14 जनवरी 15 जनवरी। मकर राशि क्यों बोलते हैं? उस दिन सन मकर राशि में एंटर करता है, ओके। मकर इन इंग्लिश इज कैप्रिकॉर्न। नाउ यू सी हियर, यहाँ पे जो वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोलॉजी है, इनके अंदर कैप्रिकॉर्न में सन कब एंटर करता है? वो थोड़ा पहले ही एंटर कर जाता है, बल्कि ये जनवरी 19 में तो निकल जाएगा, एक महीना ये थोड़ा पहले चलते हैं वेस्टर्न वाले, इनका इनका जो भी कैलकुलेशन है। और हमारी डेट्स जो चेंज होती है वो होती है 14, 15, 16, 17, ये 4 दिन में कभी भी सन चेंज होता है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं। 12 मंथ्स है और 12 साइंस है, फिक्स है, ओके। नाउ वेस्टर्न में क्या होता है, वो डेट 14 to 17 ना हो करके 21 वाली है, 21 से लेके 23 है, ये डेट्स हैं इनकी। सो थोड़ा डिफरेंस है। और कितना डिफरेंस है हम देख रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ तो कैप्रिकॉर्न में 14 जनवरी को एंटर होगा और उनके यहाँ वो 19 जनवरी को निकल जाएगा,
निकल जाएगा।
तो एक 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 राशि का लगभग पड़ता है, बट कभी कभी वो सेम होता है। अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम फिर से भगवान राम की कुंडली में आते हैं, अगर मैं आपको पूछूं कि इनका सन साइन क्या है, तो
Shakuntala, if you can talk in English, I think a few people are asking that.
Aries,
Okay.
Aries,
okay,
Aries.
Aries, okay. So what is the sun sign for Lord Rama's chart? It is Aries. The
Aries.
sun is posited here, and here the number is 1, and 1 is Aries. Fine. Now
Aries.
let us look at that zodiac sign, ye wala. Look at this chart. Aries, March 21 to April 19. And this year, Ram Navami was, that is the birthday for Lord Rama. It was on 17th April. So it matches very well. It was on 17th April.
Yep.
So according to Western zodiac sign also, Lord Rama's sun sign or zodiac sign is Aries. So these are the two different things. If we talk about moon sign, his moon sign is Cancer. And if we talk about sun sign, then it is
Aries.
Aries. Yes, Princess. Ask. You have to unmute and ask.
Yeah. My question is, I mean, Rama Navami means Rama's marriage date, right? Not birthday.
It is his birthday.
It's Rama's marriage day. Generally, in my place, they do Rama's marriage on that day. To Rama and Sita marriage day.
It is his birthday.
Birthday.
Navami.
That's what we all thought, yeah.
It is his birthday.
Okay, fine.
Birthday. Okay.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Hmm. All right. So this is the zodiac sign. So these are two different. So if you are reading a Hindi newspaper and where the Rashi Fal is given, then you use your moon sign, right? And if you are reading an English newspaper and you're just reading the what is the Rashi Fal or what is the zodiac sign is saying, then you go for this. And accordingly, you just find out where is your sun sign and then you read accordingly. Then only it is going to work properly. Fine. Now, this is today's chart. Today's 25th July 2024, evening 8 p.m. when the Thinking Thursday started. Okay. And the place I took Delhi. Maybe most of the people are from Delhi. Now, can you tell me the moon sign today in this chart?
12th place.
So 12th, then the sign we call it
Pisces.
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 Pisces,
Yeah.
correctly. Pisces. So, or in Hindi, we can call it Meen Rashi or Pisces sign. So, moon sign is this. So, according to Vedic, the Janma Rashi is Pisces. Fine. Now, according to that Western zodiac sign, what will be the
Cancer.
Cancer? This is what we feel, okay? Because Sun is in
Place.
Cancer. Assuming Sun, okay? Sun is in Cancer. But let us check 25th July. Let us check 25th July.
Leo.
What it says? Leo.
Leo.
So the gap comes, right? So there is nothing like right or wrong. If you are following Western astrology, go as per their rules. Okay. So there is a variation, there is a difference. Then we have to follow whatever is given. Right?
Ma'am, it's like slightly overlapping.
Slightly overlapping. Absolutely right.
They say, suppose we take Taurus or we do in English zodiac. So May 20 and then Gemini is May 21st. So
Yes.
we say you have a mix, like you are
right.
partly Taurus and Gemini. You have both the characteristics, isn't it?
That's true.
So I
That-
think
They are
so
called
just
cusp, but we are changing it. It's
G, 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 G,
ours is like one month difference, or 20 days difference.
G, G, G.
Maybe from the Western, if they look at the sun, that sun looks like their criteria, how they are taking the backdrop. This is the backdrop. The Rashis are in the backdrop. These are the backdrop stars which are forming the sign. And when the planets are moving and we are watching it from the earth. So this is a relative study basically. So
So
it
ma'am,
looks like,
So ma'am, it's more like suppose where you're born, the place you're born.
that's
So if
important. That's why when you make a chart,
yes,
see, when you make a chart, your place of birth is important. Okay. Date of birth, time of birth, and place of birth. Right?
right, ma'am, right.
Good, good. So I think this concept is clear. So we can read now Rashi Fal or whatever zodiac sign or whatever you want to read in the newspaper. You can read more alertfully, right?
I have a small this thing. I
Mhm.
think the way the North Indians draw the chart is like this, but in South it is something different. I don't know whether
Yeah,
you see
south
it.
is that boxes.
Those boxes. So I'm not
I
able
know.
to. I just brought my chart and I'm just
So
looking.
you just see
at
where the moon is. Okay. Okay. Let us make this chart in a South Indian form and I'll just draw the moon. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So let me use the whiteboard. 1 minute.
South Indian thing is pretty simple.
Aha. South Indian people think they are simple and North Indian, well, they say we are simple. So this is actually all are simple. Okay.
Yep.
Now let me get the tools so that I'll draw a South Indian chart here. Okay. Here all you need to do is you need to draw the boxes. Okay. This one box. Now this is difficult. You don't have to move your this thing please, because then it will disturb mine. One outer box, one inner box, right? And then
4 on top.
yeah. These lines are generally straight. So yeah, if you see the signs, then definitely South Indian chart is easy, because there the signs are fixed. So today moon is here. Now you can tell. See, in South Indian chart, what happens? This is called as first box, and here is the Aries. Okay, and then 2, 3. This is Gemini. Then it goes clockwise. 4, 5. This is 6. So Virgo. And then this is Sagittarius. And then this box, the left top box, is Pisces. Today moon is here. I'm not drawing the full chart today's. Today moon is here. So accordingly, you can just check in the South Indian chart where your moon is posited. That will be your moon sign. Fine? Got it?
Yes.
Let us stop this. Okay. So here in the 12 number, the moon is written. So
I got it.
So the Pisces is today's sign. Okay. Now we go further, that how the Rashi Fal is given in the daily newspaper and how can it change? It can change daily. Okay. So basically, it is not just the moon to moon transit. It is basically, when we see the transit, it should be seen like from sun, where the moon is going. If these 4 places going, that is a good sign. From moon, from the natal moon, the transiting moon is moving 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, then that's a good, otherwise bad. So on. So we are not going to discuss all that. Again, this is not complete. This is also 1/8 of the picture. But let us move ahead. Very simple. And what happens in case of Rashi Fal, which we see in the daily newspaper, just 2 lines predictions are given. What is that? That is this. It is the transit of current transit, moon's current transit over the natal moon's sign. Okay. Whatever is your Janma Rashi, as compared to that, where today's moon is moving. Why is it so that they take moon sign? Because moon is the fastest moving planet and it changes its sign within 2 and 2.25 days, or sometimes 2.5 days. It remains there. So every 2.5 days, it's changing. So that only they can give. Otherwise, other planets are not changing their sign so rapidly. So they use basically the moon's transit content from the moon sign at the birth, at the time of birth. So this is what they predict. Now, how it is calculated, let us take some example and let us understand it. We are not going, this is just one part of this picture. This is the whole picture. We are just considering moon's transit part. Okay. Only 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, it is beneficial. How it is beneficial? See, I have made it in red. 1, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11 is beneficial. Other days are not. And specifically, if you have to check on your own, if you want to check, just remember 4, 8, 12 are inauspicious. That is the moon. This is generally of 1 month's prediction, because in every sign, the moon will remain for 2.5 days. Let us understand with some example, otherwise we won't. Okay. Now say, if, where is today's chart? Here, this is today's chart. Okay. Now we know today moon is here in the Pisces. Okay. Suppose my moon sign is Aries. Suppose. Now you have to answer me. You all have to answer me. This is my natal moon sign, my Janma Rashi. We are going as per Vedic, right? Now, from my natal moon, where is the current moon? Count. This is 1, 2, ascending order. Count, count, count. It will become
12th house, ma'am.
correct. 12th house. So simple. So for me, if my birth sign is Aries, for me, how will be my today's day? It is 12th. So let us read it. Where will read? This is 12th. So 12th is little black, not so good. Sickness, loss of money, heavy expenditure. This is there. This is a general thing. And this, you know, there are, when we go in detail, there will be many more things. There are Vedas also and many other planets also. But this is a general Rashi Fal which we see in the newspaper. Now, let us take some another example. Let us say if someone's moon sign is Taurus, which is also the moon sign of Lord Krishna. Okay. Lord Krishna's moon sign is Taurus. Okay. उनका जन्म राशि वृषभ है, because यहाँ पे रोहिणी नक्षत्र आता है. He is from Rohini Nakshatra, where moon get exalted. Fine. So this is Lord Krishna's moon sign. आप में से बहुत की हो सकती है. Now tell me, for those who are having moon sign Taurus, what is the condition of moon, transiting moon? We have to count again. It's like this, ascending order. We have to count. You have
11.
to count this also.
11.
Absolutely right, 11. Those who can't count so quickly, let me tell them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So for those who are having Taurus sign, for them, how the today's day? 11. Now check here, 11. Okay, gain from various sources, because generally in a horoscope, 11th house is of gain, income, and all that. Okay, so this way we see. So it is written moon's transit as counted from the moon sign at birth. We can take any other example. Anyone? Anyone?
I am born on Purva Nakshatra. Can you do it for me?
Purva. There are three Purva Nakshatra. So you have to tell me which Purva. There are
I'm born on 7th October. Purva Nakshatra.
no,
I don't know.
that way we can't take. We have a
Purva Bhadra?
Purva Bhadra.
Purva Bhadra, I think. Yeah. I think so. I don't know.
I think so.
No,
Purva
mine is
Bhadra.
Purva Bhadra.
Purva
It's, I think third Padam.
Okay, Purva Bhadra is Kumbh Rashi. Okay.
Kumbh Rashi.
Yes. Okay.
Oh.
This sign. Okay.
I'm born on the 11.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So for you, today moon is second.
Yeah.
Today moon is second. Now you see what will be the prediction for second? It's an ordinary gain of money.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't get any money gain.
I did get some money.
Oh, fantastic. That's proved. That's good. That's good.
That's good, but I didn't get yet. Okay, let's see.
Dean, what is Tula Rashi? Like it says my Rashi.
Tula Rashi. So your moon must be posited in this sign. Okay. See, if yours is Tula Rashi, means this, then we have to count for today's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and today moon is here. So sixth moon is a good. If I go here, sixth, again gain of money, it says. See, basically, all these are very written in very short form. And here they talk of, mainly they talk of material gains only. So money, happiness, and this way it is predictions are written. So this is, I'm just giving you a sample example how the Rashi Fal, which we read in the newspaper, and then we make our day or something. Oh, today it is not good, and then we may make sad faces and all that. So we have to understand how it comes. It is not a very detailed prediction, very, small kind of. If you are habitual of reading it, if it is good, enjoy. If it is not good, forget it. That's the best way.
Yeah.
Right?
Then astrology is not 100%. Oh, I'm sorry. Can
How
I
can
ask a
it be
question?
100%? This is not the full prediction. See, I showed you
Okay.
one picture. And this also the picture. This we show teach in the basic course. Okay. Now this is the full picture. We are just talking about this picture. Okay. Now in the advance, we are talking about this is just 1/8. There
Okay.
are more. So astrology is fantastic. Astrologers are not.
Okay.
It's a
Fine. Thank
lifelong learning process. No one can say that I'm the master of astrology. Can't be. Your whole life is less if you really want to study astrology. Now, the important thing is this. What happens in case of 4, 8, 12? Sometimes we feel it, we realize it is happening. See? So let us say, for whom today is the 4th moon, okay? And then what are the remedies? Let me tell you, because these are something I'm practicing and using, and now everybody at my home, they all know aaj mera chautha, athwaं, barwaं, they all know in Hindi. And they know that, oh, I'm feeling like aaj to mera athwaं chandrama hai. They know it. They know. And sometimes they ask me, okay, let us understand what to do. These are little inauspicious, not always inauspicious, little, okay. So what happens? Yeah, and this happens once in a month, 4th, 8th, 12th. 2 days, 2 days, 2 days. So what to do? See, astrology is fantastic too if you use it brilliantly. Let me show you something. Let us talk about 4th. Now, whose 4th is today? The moon. Okay, moon is here. Count backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those who are having Sagittarius sign, those who have Janam Rashi as Dhanu or Sagittarius Rashi, जिनका moon sign, जिनका जन्म राशि धनु है या जिनका whose moon is posited in Sagittarius, for them today is the 4th moon. They will feel little tensed. And tension also without reason. Let me tell you, for 4th moon, it is you are doing tension for something, but that's for no reason. So what is the solution? Simply think, this too shall pass. Simple, very simple for 4th. And after, when the 4th moon is over, you will realize, oh, I was just worrying unnecessarily. That's done. Fine. Now, 8th will come later. Let us do for 12th first. Okay. 12th is for whom? For the Aries. It is 12th. Number is simple. So 12th is. Now, 12th is for expenses and etc. So better loss of money. Okay. Sickness is not like sickness. Let me tell you. See, sometimes it happens, hospitalization also, that goes on 12th. I have checked it. But in your lifetime, you go for hospital hardly once or twice or maybe thrice, not more than that, generally on an average. Then this comes every month. So don't take that much of seriously this thing. Okay. Then if your moon is in 12th, better you, and if you are little upset, better you go for shopping. Anyways, expenditure are going to happen. Some little online shopping. See, some people feel unka wo, some depression release hota hai, some dopamine or wo, I don't know what are those, but they such hormones or those are released. They feel happy when they do some expenditure. One of my teacher friend used to tell, whenever I feel sad, I just go out and do some shopping and come, and then my mood is
Very
good.
true.
Okay.
Very true.
So if it is a 12th moon, it is the day for you to do shopping. Be careful. ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन ऐसा ट्रांजैक्शन मत करो कि कोई गलत फ्रॉड या ऐसा लॉस हो जाए, बट लॉस नहीं होने दो. Do some expenditure, and if you want to do some donation, do that on this day.
Or just do window shopping, madam.
Right,
मैम
you have
उससे
to-
उससे
you-
उससे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, अच्छे से घूम
right,
के आ
right,
जाओ.
but you have to spend some
But
money.
expenditure hai na? You
Yeah,
have to
you
spend
have to
something.
spend some money. Okay, do.
It shows
Okay,
loss of
now-
money. So do it willingly.
Okay, now next and the last comes 8th.
Hmm.
This is out of 12, like in a 30 days time. These 2.5 days are really tough. Okay, this 8th, fear of trouble and evil time. This is really a tough time. Okay, 12th. For whom it is today? It is for this sign, Leo. The opposite one is 7th, and just before that, if you count from Leo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the Leo sign today, the moon is 8th. Okay. So they will feel bad. They may feel sad. They may feel humiliated or something. So what is the remedy? This is the remedy that this is the experience. You have to go through it. Better you learn to tolerate it. This is the day when you should remain silent. You should keep your mouth shut. Even if you are right, don't speak. This is not the day. There will be the days. Okay. What are those days? When the 1st, 3rd, 6th, 7th, 10, 11. That's why it says, when the time comes, you speak. When the right time, you speak. If the time is not right, don't speak. So this is something you can check yourself, and you can learn, and you can apply yourself. Okay. But always this 8th moon is not bad. Sometimes what happens, opposite of this, if there is a planet, yes, today we can see. Okay, opposite of this, if there is a planet, then there is something happens, something known as Veda happens. And if the Veda is happening, even the Ketu is doing that thing. If the Veda is happening, then the day will not be that bad. For example, for Aries, when it goes 8th here, opposite to this, these days Jupiter and Mars are there. So Veda is happening, their 8th moon will not be that bad. So don't make the things ki ye hamesha hi bad hoga. Don't think like this. Okay. That's the half learned astrology, half use of astrology, and that's not good. Okay. So there are Vedas also. We need to take care of that. Okay, let us move ahead for the next
Very
topic.
important.
It is साढ़े साती. Okay, शनि की साढ़े साती सबसे ज्यादा डराते हैं इस. This is the tool some astrologer use to make you fearful, and then snatch some money from. This is the idea. Okay, they use. Okay. But this time is really challenging time. Let us understand what is this. This is a 7.5 years period, long period. Sadhisati is the 7.5 years long period of Shani. Sadhisati literally means 7.5. In Hindi, it is 7.5. Okay. The period of Sadhisati starts when transiting Saturn enters the zodiac sign immediately before the sign of natal moon. Okay. Just now we understood where is our natal moon, etc. Okay. Natal moon, when at the time of birth, where your moon was posited, that is called natal moon. Okay. Now, if let us say if we take this example, the moon is here, then if the Saturn is here, just a sign before this, on that sign and the next sign, then that person is going through a Sadesati. Why is it so difficult? Your moon is your mind. Anything that affects your mind will affect you. And Saturn is basically a judge, a Nyayadhish, which gives you the result of your own karma, your own past life karma as well. This life karma and past life karma as well. This is the time. So, if your past life karma are good, you may get even good results in your Sadesati. It is not always bad. And if you have to suffer something, prarabdha, when we come here in the lifetime with the prarabdha, we come with the both good and bad karmas. So all those are given in this period. Okay? When we go in detail, we know that, see, 2.5 years. See, just like moon stays in a sign for 2.5 days, similarly, Saturn is the slowest moving planet. That's why called Manda. Okay. So here it remains in a particular sign for 2.5 years, 30 months. Okay. Whereas moon remains only for 2.5 days. Okay. So 2.5 years here, 2.5 years here, and 2.5 years here. If we combine, that goes 7.5 years. That's why the person may become, continuous tension, continuous problem. They may become, little depressing. Could be if the success is not there. Okay. But let us understand, this is a period with many challenges, but also a time of great achievements. Remember, इसलिए I don't want you to make like frightened होने की जरूरत नहीं है, डरने की बात नहीं है. It is a time of great achievements and recognition as well. There are 6 lagnas which we talked in the previous talk. I had a previous talk on TT only for which gemstone we can wear. Okay, at the time I told this. The sign lord for these, sign lord for these, and sign lord for these for 159, they are auspicious, right? So if in any chart, the sign lord for trine lord, one of the trine lord is Saturn, then that will be beneficial. So out of 12, only 6 will be having very bad effect, 6 will be having average effect. Even
so what is the word you use, Ma? Try? What is it?
Trine. These are called Trine. Trine. In Hindi, we call it Trikon. This is the Lagna, Pancham, 5th, and 9th. Okay, 159. This is called Trine. Right? These are auspicious. Normally, the gemstone we wear, not the planets which are posited here. No. The sign lord. These gemstone we can read. These are the most auspicious.
Mine is a very, very vague. All the things are in one box.
We'll discuss later personally. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let us come to this. That sometimes this period could be full of challenges, but of also great achievements and recognition, because Saturn gives that also. Saturn is a profession karka also. It is related to that. Saturn, the graha which rules hard work and discipline, shows its rewards during this time. This is also important. So it is always not bad. It gives good result as well. Okay, now who are running under Sadesati? We can check those whose moon is posited in Aquarius for them, because today we have seen that Saturn is in Aquarius. We can see today's chart again. Here, this is today's chart, and Saturn is posited in Aquarius. Okay, while transiting. So if your birth sign moon is here and Saturn is going above, then you are going under the Sadesati. Now, its effect will be one sign before and one sign after also. So when Saturn is moving through this, going through this, then it is a Sadasati for those who are having moon in the Capricorn or who are having moon in the Pisces. For all these three type of people, they'll be going under the Sadasati. So when transiting Saturn moves from the birth sign, that the moon sign, one sign prior and one sign ahead, that's the Sadasati period. Fine. Then other than Sadasati, we have something known as 2.5 years Daya also, which comes when the transiting Saturn transits from the 4th or 8th. From the natal moon, it causes Shaniki Daya. Suppose your birth sign is this, then from this, if you count, then Saturn is these days in the Aquarius. So for Cancer sign, it is also Daya. If you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Even it could be 4th for those who are having a Scorpio sign, whose moon is in Scorpio sign. For them, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, this way. So if you count, how many people are under Sadasati? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4 and 5. Out of total 12 zodiac signs. So 5 out of 12 are under Sadasati or Daya at any period of time. This is the percentage. So what's the big deal? सबके चलता है. आप ही के नहीं चल रहा, सबके चलता है. Take it coolly.
Yeah.
Then remedies. Remedies is here. What you can do is on the Saturdays, light 2 Deepak with the sesame oil, or some people tell some other oil, whatever oil you use it under the peepal tree after the sunset, or maybe in some Shani temple. This can be done. This is on a regular basis. Every Saturday you do it. That's the remedy. Okay. Or you can chant Shani Gayatri Mantra as well. Suppose some people, when they say we are living far away out of India and they don't have all these facilities, then in that case, they can chant Shani Gayatri Mantra. I didn't include here, but later I can give. Okay. And there is one more remedy. That should be done just once a year. Not every day sort of thing. Once a year, do Chayada. And this I've written in Hindi only. You have to take a big lohi ki kadai, a big iron made some pot, and put sesame oil, 1 liter or something. Look down and just see the reflection of your face. Take your name and then give it in some Shani temple. This is the Chayadan. It should be done just once a year during your Sadasati or Daya period. These are the 2 remedies.
मैम ये लोहे की कढ़ाई भी दान करनी है या सिर्फ
Yes,
तेल उसमें जो है
no,
वही?
no, करना है.
ओके, थैंक यू.
ला के अच्छे से मांज के साफ करके फिर वहां पे ले जाके एंड देन वी पोर. मतलब घर से ले जाएंगे तो ये बिखर जाएगा, तो वहां पे ही जाके.
हाँ,
So
ठीक है.
in many
Now-
temples here, only have नवग्रह का पूरा होता है, शनि का अलग
हाँ,
है,
उसमें शनि है तो वहां पे भी रख
वहां पे दे सकते हैं. Okay.
जी, ठीक. Okay. And sometimes if it is not possible all that, then just take 1 liter oil and give it. That is also Shani ka दान. Chayadan ना भी होगा, doesn't matter. Do some donation. Okay. Okay, now we see the Sadasati is going to get over for whom? This Capricorn, because Saturn will move to this. So we can see the dates. I've written few dates. Now Saturn will move to Pisces on 30th March 2025. So those who are having Capricorn moon sign, they will be freed from Sadasati. next coming March, right? And who will be caught? Aries one will be caught. So at that time, 3 people will be under the Saraswati. So this keeps on moving. Simple. Now, next one more topic I'm taking quickly. This is what is Manglik. People are very, afraid of this. What is this basically? Simple. In your chart, okay, if your Mars is positive, this is called first house or Lagna house. If your Mars is here in the first, 4, 7, 8 or the 12th house, then that person is known as Manglik. When the Mars is placed in 1, 4, 7 or 8 or 12th house or Bhava, that is called Manglik. That's for true. Fine. Now again, how many people are Manglik? 5 out of 12. This is rotating. This full chart is rotating every day for all the 12 lagnas. In one day, all the 12 lagnas come. Okay. So in one day, if we say 12 people are born, then out of 12, 5 people will be Manglik. 7 people will not be Manglik. Simple. Okay. So that shows the percentage. I'm not going into that much detail. These are the some exceptions given. Out of these 5, there are certain exceptions also. In that case, that Manglik is not that heavy Manglik. Its effect is almost cancelled. Almost cancelled, not totally cancelled, almost cancelled. So these are some examples written by, these are in main classical text, Muhurt Parijat, from that I have taken. So if Aries, Mars in Aries and Lagna, if Mars in Scorpion 4th house, if Mars in exalted Mars in 7th house, and if Mars debilitated Mars in 8th house, or Mars in Sagittarian sign in 12th house, and if Moon and Venus are in 2nd house, if Rahu is one of the Kendra house, there are many more. I have not written all, okay? So these are many exceptions. Again, 5 out of 12 are Manglik, that is 41%. And in that case, there may be exceptions, and nullified means your Manglik effect might be thoda subtle ho sakta hai. In that case, what's the worry? Again, 41% people. What's the worry? No worry. Then what is the remedy? Generally, the remedy is, it's difficult. We have to see both the chart for the spouse, okay? If the other spouse can wear a red coral, then that will balance, right? Or sometimes, at the time of marriage, they do some ghat viva, or there are some few things you can do, some remedies are there. But if the marriage has happened and all that, then what is the solution? See, for everything you won't get a solution. Everything in your life, you don't get remedies. Okay. Sometimes the remedy is acceptance. If it is a Manglik case. Okay. And I have seen in case of male charts, Manglik is not that big problem. Okay. So here, this quote I would like to say, share with you. My happiness grows in direct proportion to my acceptance and in inverse proportion to my expectations. In case you are Manglik or something like that, then you should not have very high expectations from your marriage. You can't expect that you will be having a Bollywood type of marriage, okay, which they show you. So accept things as they are and look realistically, not like filmy, okay, at the world around you. There are sometimes certain things you have to accept it. Okay. So another part was remedies. We will quickly go through. There could be 3 remedies, can be in the form of three. And third one, gemstones, we did a long ago in one of the TT talk. You can go YouTube, it is there. You can find it. Mantra japa is also there. Few mantra japa I'm taking. Donation I'm not taking. One I have shared with Saturn. So donation list is there, and that's color. That planet's color can be colored things can be given. But let us go through some mantra which we can do. This is a general mantra, Guru Gayatri mantra. You can do, and it can help for it can solve most of your problems. That's the Jupiter, the biggest planet, the most auspicious planet. And today is Thursday already. Or I can just chant and you can listen how to pronounce it. Om Rishabdhvajaya Vidmahe Karuni Hastaya Dhimahi Tanno Guru Prachodayat. This is a Gayatri mantra, means the planet's Gayatri mantra. Pure Gayatri mantra we don't do in the evening time, but this is planet Gayatri mantra that can be done in the any time. That's evening time is not a problem. And if you do it, start doing it, chanting it for 11 times daily morning. See the effect in your life. This is the meaning given. The Guru, the planet Jupiter, it has power to get things done, anything. For ladies, Jupiter is prosperity, Jupiter is for children, Jupiter is for husband, and Jupiter is for knowledge. Everything it gives. Do it all in one mantra.
I mean, is this only for the people with Mangalik or is it for everybody?
This is general remedies. They are Mangalik remedies this.
How to know I'm Mangalik or not?
I taught you, no? Yeah, just see your chart and see.
Yeah,
I mean,
You should have your chart, and then you should know in your first 4th, 7th, 8th, or 12th house.
if
Then
the
that
Mars
is
is in
enough.
these places, then it is Mangalik.
Yeah.
Mars
can
is
you draw my
Mangal,
chart
right?
for me?
Later.
Oh, okay. If on the whiteboard, maybe now.
No. You have to use the software, and this is already 9:10. Okay, 9:05.
Okay,
So
okay,
Mars
okay,
is Mangal, right?
Yeah, Mars is Mangal.
Okay, right.
Absolutely right.
okay.
Okay, you can contact me later. I can
Oh,
define and
okay, okay. I don't want to. I thought you. Okay, fine. No problem. Thank you.
Okay, now we are not going to chant this Gayatri mantra, but this is one of the best mantra, and to get the Sadbuddhi. You need to have some wisdom to tackle our life situation. It's the best mantra to be done in the morning, and it should be done in the daytime. So even children we can teach. This is the best mantra. Then mostly the health issues come. For that, the Dhanvantri mantra is there. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, I have a question. Can you go back to my Gayatri mantra? I was told that Gayatri mantra is not for the people, I mean, for the women because it affects their menstrual cycle. Is it correct?
Sometimes many pujas and all, they are said ki don't do during the menstrual cycle. Don't do that time. Otherwise, do it.
In the sense, I mean, I was told that if we chant the Gayatri mantra at any time, it's going to affect the menstrual cycle of a woman.
No.
It changes actually.
It's a wonderful mantra. You just don't go on such comments. Let me tell you, this is such a powerful mantra, 24-lettered mantra, which contains all the knowledge of your universe. Okay, all the blessings of your universe you'll be getting. Just have the faith. Just have that purity of mind and chant this mantra. When I used to do, someone suggested and I used to do it. Then my teacher who used to teach me palmistry, I used to learn palmistry also sometime. And he saw my hand and he said, Ki, what mantra are you chanting? How can you get these Valay? I got Guru Valay at that time. Okay. I didn't know, but he checked and then he said, sir, I'm doing this mantra. He said, just please continue doing this mantra. Okay.
I mean, my question is here. 2000 years back, this mantra was banned for women. because it was believed that it is going to generate men hormones, increases men hormones in.
Leave it.
So
These are
I mean,
all,
I don't.
there are many myths. There are many
Okay.
myths. Okay. And
Okay.
you are a soul first. You are a soul.
Hello,
Male and
Okay.
female are
Betty,
becomes
could you
later.
tell me?
Okay.
No, आप thinking Thursday का मैं बात सुन रही हूँ शकुंतला जी.
I'm muting you, Deepti.
Yeah.
Okay. Now Dhanvantari mantra. This is like this was like a blessing for me during a COVID time, and many of my friends have reported wonderful results. It's a little lengthy, so you can chant it for a less number of times. See, always when you chant a mantra, it is not the quantity of the mantra, it is the quality of the mantra. If you chant it with the devotion, you get results. Okay, so here it is in Sanskrit and in English, and this is the meaning. Okay, I can chant you once for you, and then Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Dhanvantare Amrut Kalash Hastaya Sarvamaya Vinashanaya Trilokyanathaya Shri Mahavishnave Namah. And on YouTube, it is Voice of Suresh Vatkar or SP Balasubramaniam. 108 times. Beautiful voice. You get it.
मैम
Wonderful.
इसको किसी भी टाइम सुन सकते हैं?
Anytime. And generally, आपको कोई issue हो, if you have any issue, health issue, chant it. See, one mala, it takes time. It takes 8 to 10 minutes. If you do it fast also. So chant it 24 minutes. That is enough. Okay. And for this mantra, you all know. For severe health issues, chronic disease and all, then you can do Mahamrityunjaya mantra. We all know it. Okay. Sometimes this also people ask mantra for court case. This is the Kartikeya Gayatri mantra. It can be done for the court cases. And some of my clients, they have reported positively. This I have seen them. They chanted it and they got success. Okay. So this is the Kartikeya mantra, can be done. Okay, this is for the study. Sometimes people say that children are not studying, unka man nahi lagta hai padhai mein and all that. Then this is the guru, different guru mantra. It is helpful. Say you are not succeeding in some exam, any kind of exam. It could be an even interview level exam. You can do this. Here it is in English. Meaning is also given. Here it is in Hindi or Sanskrit. So Guruve Sarvalokanam Vishje Bhavaroginam Nidhaye Sarvidhyanam Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Whenever you chant a mantra, if you can fold your hand, do it. Have some respect to the Almighty, to the God, and then chant. Now, mantra for peace of mind. This is the time for Shravan and for Lord Shiva. You just go and offer water. All the 5 deities there, Pura Shiv Parivar pe, that's enough. Otherwise, just chant Shiv Gayatri mantra. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahi Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodaya. These mantras are specifically for those who are living out of India and they don't have that facility of offering water and all that. You can just sit and do it for peace of mind. Okay, then, okay, this is fantastic. Shiv Panchaksha Srotam. So, those who have attended my astrology class, they know I start with this only. And Anand Murthy Ma has sung it so beautifully. So it is there in YouTube. Just see. This is mainly for past life dosha. For all past life dosha. This can be done. Here it is in Sanskrit, it is in English. Okay. The 5-letter Nama Shivaya, the full form of this. This is for Na, that second shloka for Ma, then for Shi, then Va, and then Yet. Like that. Okay. Many times people ask, we have got evil eye protection or this or that, dark energy, black energy, whatever it is. The solution is one. Many people will say, okay, we'll do a havan for you and do this remedy. Doesn't work. The only remedy that works is you do Hanuman Chalisa once a day. Once a day is all enough, but with your faith. Or you do Sundarkand if possible. These are the days like Tuesdays or Saturday, and or in Amavasya, whatever you can do, you can do. Sundarkand is definitely a lengthy one, 45 minutes, but even if you chant Hanuman Chalisa by heart with faith, even once, it works. It works. That's all. So yesterday one of my student was asking, उसको चिंता है, इसका भी चिंता है, इसका भी चिंता है, फादर के लिए क्या मंत्र करूं, उसके लिए क्या मंत्र करूं, उसके लिए क्या, मैं कहा तुम एक मंत्र करो, just do one mantra, सबका भला हो जाए. So let us pray. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि
भद्राणि
पश्यन्तु,
पश्यन्तु,
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ओम
शांति
शांति
शांति शांति
शांति शांति.
शांति.
का हिंदी में ही लिखा है, तो आई रीड इट. जो इंग्लिश में है वो थोड़ा समझ लें, कोई बात नहीं. सभी सुखी हुए मीन्स ऑल विल बी हैप्पी. सभी रोग मुक्त रहे, सी डिजीज फ्री. सभी मंगलमय घटनाओं के साक्षी बने. ऑल शुड फेस good events or what. किसी को भी दुख का भागी न बनना पड़े. No sorrow to be experienced. And that's it.
Superb, ma'am. Superb.
Okay.
Very, very informative. I mean, छोटे things जो है ना, you can do it yourself and you
मैम
can.
एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन है, पास्ट लाइफ दोषा क्या होते हैं, मतलब स्मॉल में?
हमने पूर्व जीवन में जो भी दोषा किए हैं, कुछ भी पाप किए हैं, अभी हमको पता ही नहीं हमने क्या पाप किए, ये क्या किए हैं. शिव जी की पूजा कर लो, सब माफ कर देते. ऐसे पंचाक्षर श्रोतम, शिव जी को जल चढ़ाना, प्रदोष के दिन शाम को जल चढ़ाना. I can give you my own example. This remedy came to me through Nadi Jyotish, and before that I was not stable in any of my job in the 10 years of my career. And after doing regular Shiv Puja, Pradosh Puja, regularly, maybe it was for 5 years. But the day I started, my job was stable. In the same place, I continued my job for next 10 years, 12 years. And then I only resigned. And then the school people say, no, you just stay, you guide them. And for 2 more years, they kept me there. And then with my own will, I left the job. Otherwise, sometimes I used to be, I was fired out from the job. The same person, the same quality. The past life doshas, they come and they interfere. If you can do some remedy, you can chant, then Shivji to bole, sab maaf kar dete. I think what Shakuntala
Thank you, ma'am.
is discipline. I know her, that is why I'm telling you that if she's chanting, then she will do it regularly at a particular time for days, right? ऐसे नहीं कि आपने गिव अप कर दिया, अरे छोड़ो यार कुछ हुआ नहीं है, let me stop chanting. It's not like that. I think Shakuntala, you should speak
ma'am, very important.
Consistency.
Very important. Even one mantra I have chanted for 1 year. After that, I started getting result.
Correct.
And that
Correct.
is very important. You picked up.
So consistency is very important. And second is faith. Like Shakuntala has immense
faith, correct.
You know, so because she has so much of faith, if she's chanting, it's with all the faith, you know. So it is not like, like you go to a doctor and the doctor gives you medicine. If you don't have faith in the doctor, though the correct medicine is given to you, it will not work. So doctor ke upar bhi faith hona chahiye, then the medicine works. Isn't it, Saroj? What do you say? As a
Absolutely
doctor.
right. Absolutely right, ma'am.
So faith is they say faith can move mountains. So faith is very important. Faith can be in anything. You know, it's not that astrology or numerology or anything like that. Just have faith that God is with you. That's it. Then it does not matter, you know. So you can have, when you go to a temple, what is it? That's idol is only made of stone, no? So if you pick up a nice stone from a very pious place, keep it in your house and put the tilak and say, this is my God, then have faith in that. So faith is very important in life. Without that, nothing can help in life. What do you say, Shakuntala?
Absolutely right. Absolutely.
It's very important.
Ma'am, there's one more thing when you do repeated chanting, over the days and years, and on a on everyday basis, n number of times, or maybe if you're doing a japa whatever, so you don't have a chattering mind, and you become more focused, they say ekagrita, like types.
True,
And then in your work you are more successful, as madam said that then they didn't want to leave her when she was working. So this has its own effect in a different way as well, ma'am.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Chanting, like I said, anything repetitive, no, will create that kind of energy around you. Like if you just say, I'm a good person, and you repeat that 10,000 times, you will believe you're a good person. Like I'll give you an example. There was one of my teachers, John sir, one girl had come with her father. Okay. So the father told John sir that I want my daughter to get married, but she doesn't think that she's beautiful. So जो रिश्ते आ रहे हैं, they are also like, half-hearted. And then they don't call back and all that stuff. My daughter doesn't think she's beautiful and she doesn't think she will ever get a good person. So John sir just told this girl, from today, you just tell yourself in front of the mirror, I am beautiful. Nothing else, just I am beautiful. Suppose you see you're walking on the road and you see a window and you see your reflection, just say, I am beautiful. You go in the car and there's a mirror, you say, I am beautiful. Some glasses there, I am beautiful. Everywhere, wherever you go, you just say, I am beautiful. In 1 month, she got married. 1 month. I'm not joking, 1 month. His example was given to us by my teacher. Okay? He said, this is all you have to do. Repeat. It is called repetitive compulsion in kind of psychology, okay? So when you keep repeating compulsively something positive, it will manifest. Affirmation kya hai? Affirmation is nothing but repetition. You are affirming, repeating.
Ma'am, but serious question, ma'am, don't take it as a joke. I keep calling myself princess, right? I was a princess in previous life. Can I be princess in this life also?
That I don't do. That is your karma. Please act like a princess.
Okay.
You have to act like a princess, no?
Correct.
For others to believe you are a princess.
Okay.
A princess which is a nice princess, okay? A noble princess.
Okay.
You can act like a princess. Maybe you like the food that princesses like, the clothes, the walk, the style, the smile. the hair, right? Physically,
Okay.
you'll have to look like a princess first. You can't just think of I'm a princess, I'm a princess.
Okay.
And
Behave
princess,
like
why?
one.
Why you want to be a princess? But
Yeah.
To
first you
become a
ask
politician.
yourself- first you ask yourself that why you want to be a princess?
Oh, I want to become a politician.
You decide first. Princess बनना है कि politician बनना है?
And a princess means daughter of a king, right? Next ruling is high chance of becoming a queen for a princess.
I think princess, you need to just filter your thoughts. What is it that you want to do? What is it that you want to be? You can't be 10 things at one time. No, you'll have to be something,
Okay.
somebody, right?
Okay.
But it's good. It's good you have put your name as Princess so and so. But you'll have to act like one also.
Okay, I will.
Noble and
Thank you.
kind. Yeah. And I think another very beautiful thing for the mantra that Shakuntala ji showed us last, no, Sarve Bhavantu. So when you say Sabhi, Shakuntala ne explain kya ki, Sabhi mein not only human beings come, everybody comes. All species. Sabhi ka matlab hai animals, birds, trees, insects. Matlab, that is how the world is created, no? So Sabhi is little, understand it as not only humankind, okay,
Good,
all
yeah.
kinds. Then only that mantra ka jo power hai, that you will understand, So in Buddhism, we say, that let everybody be free of their suffering and the causes of their suffering also. I love the Buddhist, some of the mantras that they say, like the statements that they say. I love this thing that let people be free of their suffering and the causes of their suffering also. What caused the suffering, even that causes they need to be free of, indicating that the sanchita karma that we are carrying, the causes, right? Even that should be dried up. So we are praying for that also. So it's beautiful. Some of the prayers in Buddhism are very deep and beautiful. So prayers are prayers, no? It's just so beautiful to pray, holding your hands and praying. So nice, So chalo, let's just fold our hands to end this, and let's just pray that may every living being be free of suffering and the causes of those sufferings.
Om Asatoma Sargamaya Tavasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityoma Amritangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Lovely, very nice.